greater than will help decongesting workshops, resulting in quicker turnaround time for vehicles with longer servicing needs, greater than to provide quality after-sales service and increase customer satisfaction. Tata Motors has introduced Tata Care Mobile Service Van, a mobile service van (MSV) facility which offers service solutions across 42 locations in multiple cities. Tata Care is designed to provide periodical services, scheduled free and paid services, to Tata Motors passenger vehicles. Through Tata Care, multiple service vans have been deployed to fulfill the requirements of customers on the go, or for customers who are not able to travel to the nearest service station. All periodical services can be availed at a customer's doorstep through a team of specially trained mechanics. These mobile service vans are equipped with pneumatic tools, oil dispensers, and waste oil collectors, power generator, inverter, air compressor and the other essential tools. To avail of this service, customers can visit the online booking section on the Tata Motors Service website. These service vans are fitted with trackers to provide real-time data to dealerships. The dealerships are then able to provide the location of the nearest service van to its customers. In addition to MSVs, the online booking also offers a pick-up and drop facility of the vehicle from the residence of the customer.